Good morning. Come with me to BJ's so I can get ready for this nor'easter. I ain't doing too much. I'm not gonna buy out all of the water, all of the milk, all of the cheese, all of the butter. I'm not doing that. Just a few things to hold us over. Look at me. And took that. I had to get somebody card. Nobody gonna be in here playing around.
I hope they send an email so I don't have to go to work tomorrow because of the storm. Oh my God. Please send that email. I don't want to go to work tomorrow. Please. So, we made it in BJ's and we beat the motherfucking rush. Y'all bitches is sleep. Y'all home sleep because it's 10 o'clock. It's 10:18 right now in the morning. Y'all sleep. Y'all home sleep. Y'all gonna be out here 7, 8 o'clock. Rushing to get it is gonna be 1,000 lives out here. Get up early and get to it.
And just like that, one and done. We got in here like 10:15. It's 10:38. That's how you get in and out of motherfucking BJ's. I don't know. There's somebody. Hold on. Somebody, little baby, just walking by himself. I don't know. No, babe. Where's he going? Whose baby is that? Like, y'all parents gotta do fucking better.
Sandy.
Oh, it's starting to snow. It's starting to snow, but it's coming down. Send that email so I can stay home tomorrow. Please and thank you.
I'm on my way to drop it off to my kids. I didn't even tell them I was picking them up anything. They probably did their own little one too, but I know they didn't get what I got, just to add on to whatever they got, so they could be good. I mean, they grown, but you know, I'm still a mama at the end of the day, and I'm gonna do my one too.
I just told my age by saying stamps, and I snap. Cause why am I still saying stamps? My mama was getting stamps. You don't get stamps. You get snap.